Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel MD Paradise. Today I am growing carrot in pots. In this video I am showing how to prepare soil and how to sow seed in pots. Add some eggshell and wood ash. Now add compost. In the mud and mix very well. And make soft and rich soil. Like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Make 3 rows. Sow seeds in 1 inch deep. Soil become well drained, so make hole in the bottom of the pot. I am growing carrots in plastic buckets. Grow carrots very simple and easy way. After a week, seeds will sprout and small seedlings came out. Press bell icon button and subscribe my channel for my next video. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.